Did you know that Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un is a dua when a musibah happens to you, in your income, someone passes away, or you go through fear? Allah said, the believers say Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un, and Allah will send upon them salawat wa rahmat, prayers and mercy. Do you know that Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil is a dua? And Allah mentioned that when you go through fear from something, you're about to be fired or about to get sickness or something, or family problems, when you say it, Allah Azza wa Jal said that the believers, when they said that, they came back, nothing hurt them. Do you know that La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah is a dua when you want a change in your life and when you want energy in your life? Do you know that Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim in the beginning of any dua makes that dua mustajab? Insha'Allah, may Allah answer all of our dua, Ya Rabbal Alameen.